Welcome. In this video, we will speak about something very important in Excel, and also it's very important usually in the presentation. It is a conditional formatting, and this is one icon we will speak about. It's come from style here, condition formatting. If I have table like this, it speak about branch number for anything, factory or other thing, and this is a work week for every branch, and this is a profit coming from everyone, and this is the net profit. Yeah, this by minus, and this by positive. Now, if I need to make formatting for this, I can select all of this column and go here and make formatting for highlight cell rule greater than, and I can put what I need, 7 or let me 10. Okay, I told him this. I told him give me format for every cell from this more than 10 week. Okay, I can make this 1/6 like this, and from here I can change the format which I need. It's about text only or border only, or you can put here fill color, or you can make custom from here and put what you need. Okay, I will select this one. I can select and make another format for the same one. From here I can go and give it icon set from this as this one. Say he will give the clear one for the minimum, and when he will decrease the week, he will give the star complete. Okay, now you have two condition. You can make condition format, two rule or more than two rule on the same cell. Okay, from here I can go and make data bar, gradient or solid, and the same thing I can make color scale or icon, change icon like this. Okay, after this I can go to manage rule. From here, say he told me this cell have two rule, one rule about icon set and this other one about the greater than, and they give me the number. I can select any one from here and make edit rule. From here I can change what I need like this, or I can show only icon only and select OK. And here also I can delete this one. Now I don't need this if I need to delete, and OK, he will give me only presentation for the value. And this is very important if you need to make presentation for any person and you don't need to get him what inside value inside the cell. Okay, you can clear rule from here, and the clear rule you can make for selected cell, all clear rules for enter sheet, all sheet. Okay, I will clear now for this one. Okay, new rule. I can make rule here and I make it as I need. Okay, this will like this. This is the color of it, and you can select the color you need as you like, and the bottom value here and the bottom value here if you need, and you make your own rule. Okay, this everything I need to speak about, and you can check this one by one, and this very important for you. Okay, we can select this as example and make value equal to, I need to highlight something equal to, and I can select by this. I need to know branch to what is make, and click OK, and to highlight it by red. He make it as you say. Okay, I can check first one. He will select everything name by the equal in this cell branch one, and he will highlight it. Can press OK, and you can select okay. After this you can also go here, manage, and from this edit say cell value equal to this, he will give this format, or you can give it another thing about font. Okay, the color of this, the fill is this, and I can take the same one for fill. I take the fill for green, and I put a font the same thing. If I need to not appear the name of it. Okay, thank you. This is everything about conditional formatting.